Hello, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can check the mobile data usage on this device. Alrighty, so first of all open up the settings app. In here go for the dual cards and mobile networks category. Choose what SIM card you would like to check the mobile data usage in particular. Let's say I'll check for the SIM card number 1, for example. In here you'll, of course, SIM card number 2. In here you'll have the data usage section. And as you can see, the data usage page will contain the breakdown on how much data, how much mobile data have you used for any particular period of time, or how many gigabytes or megabytes you have used in particular. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.